unveiling an engineering marvel that defies expectations and rewrites the rules of heavy trucking. This is the world's first Scania-powered hybrid, Peterbilt 389. You're about to witness a legendary machine reborn with an unprecedented fusion of European efficiency and American muscle. The Peterbilt 389 is known for its classic, long-nose American truck design, but this particular model takes things to an entirely new level. Traditionally equipped with Cummins or Paycar engines, the incorporation of a Scania hybrid powertrain brings a game-changing twist. The heart of this hybrid beast is a meticulously engineered Scania DC13 inline-6 diesel engine, seamlessly paired with an advanced electric motor system. This combination ensures maximum fuel efficiency without compromising on power, giving drivers the best of both worlds. The journey of modifications dates back several years, with each upgrade refining this hybrid giant. The first prototype surfaced in 2018 when engineers sought to merge Scania's hybrid expertise with Peterbilt's robust framework. By 2019, the project gained traction, with custom fabrications allowing the integration of the Scania hybrid powertrain. In 2021, further modifications included upgraded battery packs, an improved regenerative braking system, and enhanced transmission synchronization. By 2023, the final iteration featured state-of-the-art predictive technology, allowing the truck to adapt to road conditions dynamically, further improving its range and sustainability. Step inside, and the interior reflects the seamless marriage of cutting-edge technology and supreme comfort, designed with long-haul drivers in mind. The cabin features an ergonomic dashboard, a high-resolution digital display, and customizable driver assist controls. The premium leather seating provides unparalleled comfort, while the advanced infotainment system keeps drivers connected. Climate control, enhanced noise insulation, and additional storage solutions make this truck not just a workhorse but a luxury suite on wheels. Now the most anticipated detail, its latest pricing. As of 2024, this Scania-powered hybrid Peterbilt 389 starts at an estimated $200,000. However, with additional customizations, such as enhanced battery configurations, exclusive interior upgrades, or aerodynamic enhancements, the price can climb significantly. Despite the premium cost, this truck is a long-term investment in both performance and sustainability, delivering fuel savings and reduced emissions over its lifespan. This hybrid Peterbilt 389 is more than just a truck. It's a statement of innovation, blending tradition with the future of transport. With its unmatched combination of power, efficiency, and design, it stands as a beacon for the next generation of trucking. Be part of this revolution, join our community, and let's drive into the future together. Subscribe, stay updated, and experience the evolution of hybrid trucking firsthand.